Hey, thanks for joining me here at Sharon Your Guitar Guide, helping you find your sound. And today we've got a great song by the Bee Gees called Words. Check it out. Smile, an everlasting smile, a smile could bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory, let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now there'd be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Talk in everlasting words and dedicate them all to me, and I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should call to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So if you've checked out the channel and you like everything you see, go ahead and subscribe. There's the subscribe button right there. Thanks. I'd also like you to go check out YourGuitarGuide.com, and we've got a blog over there. Subscribe to that and you get all the free guitar tips and tricks and videos sent to your email every week. Right, so the chords in this song are G, an A, a D, a C, a B flat, and an F. You can either make the F like this or bar it. If you have any problem with bar chords or the open chords, I've got videos out on those, so check them out, and let's get into this song. So the strumming pattern on this is down, down, up, down, up. Hey, can you give me a thumbs up showing that you like the video? And your guitar guide trivia question of the week is, who came to America first, the Beatles or the Bee Gees? Leave me a comment. Thanks. And even though this song's a basic strumming pattern and easy beginner song, I like to add a little bit to it, because if you listen to the beginning of the song, it's, and I'm making a G, which a lot of people make a G like this. I use this right here, and I just hit the high E string. And then it's hit the G 6th string. So it's 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. then hit the high E. 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, high E. Tap it twice, and then it's, once the singing starts, it's a G. Smile, an everlasting smile, a smile can be an A. D. C. G. And then the second part of the verse goes to the B flat, where this world has lost its glory. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. F, right, G, A, D. Which you can just strum the D, but if you listen to the song, it's arpeggiating. From the B flat, it's this world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. F, right, G, A, and then the D. So to do that, it's the open 4th string, D, then the 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th. Back to G. So it's talk in everlasting words and dedicate them A. D. C. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause and rewind. So basically, that's the whole song. Thanks.